So you've got a shoe, a truck, and 3 actors that need digital doubles. You need a 3D scanner and you need one fast. But actually, you don't need 1 scanner, you need 3. Because you know the scanner that scans people can't scan objects, and the scanner for the truck can't scan your shoe. But who has time to coordinate with all these scan houses when you have a movie to produce? As a producer, you know in your heart there's a better way to handle this and keep the budget intact. That's why instead of trying to coordinate all your 3D scanning on your own, you should just make one phone call to Nickessie at Nickessie Consulting. With 20 plus years experience and vetted 3D scanners all over the world, he takes all the headaches off your plate by coordinating the details, vetting vendors, and speaking the language needed to get your scans right the first time. Save money, time, and headaches for another day. Contact NickesseeConsulting.com right now and get your 3D scan started.